Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both earbuds and the case. This ensures stable pairing. Hold each bud in the case and confirm LEDs flash. This signals reset and discoverable mode. Once done, open your phone Bluetooth settings and keep the device within 1.5 meters. Proximity reduces dropouts. Make sure other Bluetooth devices are turned off to avoid interference. Now, remove both earbuds from the case together so they can enter true dual pairing at the same time. You focus on letting the earbuds choose a master, usually the right bud, because one device manages the link to your phone. Once one bud shows a steady or rapid LED pattern, tap the Tozo entry in your phone Bluetooth list. This pairs the master. Make sure you accept any pairing prompts and grant audio permissions so both media and call audio route correctly. After the master connects, give the buds a moment to sync with each other for stereo audio. You finish by verifying stereo playback. Play a left/right test file and confirm each earbud reproduces its channel. This proves successful dual connection. If one bud is silent, reinsert both into the case, close and reopen to force resync, and repeat the reset step. This often clears mismatched roles. If problems persist, clear your phone Bluetooth cache or try pairing with a second phone to isolate whether the issue is the earbuds or the original device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.